Hey everyone, so today we're going to focus on the left hand turn. So the left hand turn is going to be done on the first 4 counts. So the move is going to start off with your left foot. So from a standing position, you're going to turn your left foot, point it towards the left on that 1. And then on that 2, you're going to flip your whole body around and do a 180. So now you're going to be facing towards the back. And then on that 3 count, you're going to swing all the way back around so that you're facing forward again with your right foot still kind of pointing towards the right. And then you're going to bring that in on that 4 count. So it's going to be a tap. So a little bit faster, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So at normal speed, you're going to have it be 1. So at normal speed, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, tap, 4.